Made in the USA, our Lavender Chamomile Pet Shampoo is pH balanced, alcohol-free, paraben-free, PEG 80-free and is highly recommended for cleaning, conditioning, detangling, and moisturizing coats. Calming formula. This lavender-scented pet shampoo is great for cleaning dirty coats, coat conditioning and detangling, and skin moisturizing short to long coats. The thick lather rinses off clean and keeps your pet looking and smelling clean. Less is more. Wahl has a higher concentrate of coconut-derived sodding agent, which means you don't have to use as much as other dog shampoos. A little bit of shampoo goes a long way and provides a rich lather that's easy to rinse off. Allergy-friendly. Our dog icon, Rocket, was designed in the image of our family dog Cooper, a golden doodle, who has severe allergies. This is the only shampoo we have found safe and effective. He loves the smell too. The brand used by professionals, Wahl has been serving professional vets and groomers for over 50 years. Clean, condition fur and hair for a smooth, soft coat. We are a company of animal lovers that want the best for your family member. Check the link description.